Want to learn how to hide profile photos on WhatsApp? Many of us are not aware of how to hide profile photo on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide profile photo on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp. Tap on three vertical dot that is on the top right corner of your screen. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Settings. On Settings page, tap on Privacy. Once you're on your privacy page, tap on Profile Photo. Now tap on Nobody option. So that is how you hide profile photo on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.